Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan by greasing and flouring it. This ensures your bread won't stick. Now let's combine the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, mash your 3 to 4 very ripe bananas until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma. Next, we'll prepare the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious banana bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set properly. Then carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. While it's tempting, cooling ensures a perfect slice. Once cooled, slice the bread into generous 1-inch thick pieces. Serve it warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a pat of butter, for a truly delightful homemade treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.